Hey guys, welcome back to the knife shop. I'm Neil with Malone Knives. Just wanted to do a quick video today to show you a simple, cheap tool that you can build that'll help you when you're sanding the flats or the bevels in your knives. Let's get started. So the tools you're going to need for this project, just a 4x4. This one's probably 20 inches long or so. We're going to be cutting it down to size. You're going to need a drill with a drill bit. You need a toggle clamp. This one is a Vise, looks like STO HH20. You can get these on Amazon for between $20 and $30. And 4 screws. So we're going to cut this 4x4 post down to about 14 inches long, and we'll get started. Alright, we've got the 4x4 cut to length. Just going to take our toggle clamp, place it on the end of our block here, kind of center it up in the center. Take a pencil and just mark where these holes go. And we're just going to pre-drill those holes and screw our toggle clamp down to the post. Once you got the clamp secured to your block, I just take mine and put it in my shop vise. You could also, if you don't have a shop vise, you could bolt this directly to your bench. Maybe put another piece of wood, some 2x4s going crossways, bolt it down to your bench. This is the way I do it. You can take your knife you're working on, clamp it in place. That's going to hold it secure for you. You get some sandpaper. It's just a real nice way to hold your knife securely in place while you're working on those flats, or while you're working on your bevels. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Just a quick video, show you how to make a really simple, really cheap, but very useful tool for your knife shop. Again, if you're like me, I like to save money where I can and make my own tools. So hopefully this helps some of you guys out. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Just a quick, simple video to show you how to make a really Alright guys, that's about it for this video. Just wanted to show you a real simple, quick way to make a really handy tool in your shop. It comes in handy when you're sanding, trying to flatten those. Alright guys, that's going to do it